devastating floods struck 6 villages in Mukim Nangoh, catching residents off guard as water levels rose rapidly despite minimal rainfall in the area. The unexpected speed of the flooding left many villagers scrambling to evacuate, with most unable to secure their possessions. According to the Sabah Disaster Management Committee Secretariat's Friday 8 a.m. report, the flooding has displaced 5,617 people from 1,899 families, all of whom are now being housed across 39 temporary evacuation centers. In Telupid specifically, 5 evacuation centers are currently sheltering 413 individuals from 110 affected families.